in my downloads folder, I've got lots of folders, and inside each of these folders, there are many other subfolders, and these folders contain photos and videos that I've downloaded from Google Photos, but they are cluttered with Google Photos metadata files called JSON file. It will take me a few hours to delete all the JSON files manually, and then I try to use this search bar in the downloads folder and filter out just the JSON files, but unfortunately Windows File Explorer isn't as powerful and it said this folder is empty. So the most powerful tool to use here is command prompt. While you're in the folder that contains all other folders that you want to delete all the JSON files, in my example, it's the downloads folder. So go to that folder and in the address bar, type CMD and then press enter. This should open command prompt, and as you can see, it is directing towards that folder, which is downloads. First, let's get a list of all JSON files by typing dir space /s space /b space *JSON and then enter. Then it will find all the JSON files in all the folders and subfolders. And in order to delete all these JSON files, type del space /s space /q space *JSON. Warning, this command would permanently delete all the JSON files without putting them first into the recycle bin. So once you're happy, press enter. This would then delete all the files and it would show deleted file line by line. Now you can go and check your folders and subfolders and make sure there are no JSON files left. And now you can close the command prompt